Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the story of Adeline Watkins, the woman who once claimed to have been close to Ed Gein. With Netflix's monster The Ed Gein Story bringing her name back into the spotlight, many are asking, where is she now? Let's break it all down. In November 1957, just days after Ed Gein's arrest, Adeline Watkins, then about 50 years old and living in Plainfield, Wisconsin, gave a dramatic interview. She said she and Gein had dated for nearly 20 years, that they went on simple outings together, discussed books and crime stories, and that he once proposed to her on February 6, 1955. She described him as good, kind, and sweet, which seems unbelievable given what was later found in his farmhouse. As the media attention grew, Watkins backtracked. She published a letter to a local newspaper saying she had exaggerated. She then claimed their relationship had been largely platonic, admitting she never meant to imply he was her sweetheart. Still, even after rescinding many of her statements, she continued to express that she believed Gein was polite and quiet in person, even if his crimes were monstrous. Where is Adeline Watkins now? Adeline Watkins has passed away. After shooting to fame because of her association with Ed Gein, she later retreated to a quiet life. She died in 2023 at the age of 102. Adeline Watkins occupies a strange space between myth and fact. Her claims add personal intrigue to Ed Gein's story, but her quick retraction and absence from public life make it difficult to separate truth from sensationalism. In Monster The Ed Gein Story, she's revived into public memory, but the reality is that her final chapters remain a mystery.